G'day guys, my name's Nick, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your service light on your Peugeot 3008. So let me go through the steps now and show you the simple procedure. So to begin with, we're just going to turn our ignition off. So make sure the ignition's off to start with, and then we'll just come up here and we're going to hold this button down while we turn our ignition on. So I'll just hold this button down and turn the ignition on. And you can see the little countdown happening here. So I'll just continue to hold the button over here while it does the countdown. There we go. We can release the button now and we can start the car up and our service warning should be gone. So it's quite a simple procedure. So we just hold this button down here while we turn on the ignition and let it do its little countdown. So there you go guys, that's how you reset the service light on your Peugeot 3008. If this video helps you reset your service light, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Cheers guys.